I'm not like you. I cannot.
That's what I do.
Yes, I know. I cannot.
What?
I don't.
You control it.
I cannot. I cannot. I'm shy.
You're shy?
I am shy.
So...
Hi, pretty scar. Miss B and Mr. B. Yes. Sorry, Mr. B, wala ka namang camera, so turn off ko na lang yung light.
Sige. It's too bright for you?
Eh, kasi baka bright sa'yo, ikaw nagda-drive eh. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
So, mahirap to ha. Nagla-live tayo, tapos kailangan din natin mag-shoot nito, guys. Okay. Multitask para tumigil ang mga iyakin.
Sino ba umiiyak?
Si Mommy Envy.
Hanap sila ng ayuda?
Nang ano, namimiss ka kasi, namimiss nila daw tayo.
Oh, I missed them too. I was actually gonna go live today, pero baka ma-distract pa ako. Alam mo naman ako sa ADHD ko.
Yes, ma'am. Kanina nagrereklamo siya na dumating daw siyang malinis yung room niya. Ngayon ay madumi ulit.
Parang may dumaan na tornado. Parang may dumaan na typhoon. Who's there? Knock knock.
Knock knock was there. Walang traffic in fairness. Kasi
You gonna tell them why I'm going live?
ba't ka ba mag-a-announce ata si Mr. B ng hindi ko alam sa kanya? Ano announce mo doon?
Whatever I'm doing. Ikaw ang nagtawag sa akin. Kung pwede akong live.
So, ayun. May ticket na tayo.
Yes!
Bakit may blanket doon?
Basta may blanket, I requested it.
Talaga na-request mo or may nakalagay na may blanket?
May nakalagay. I requested it. I said, do you have a blanket because my date gets cold? I always get something in the mail and it's always at that intersection.
So, ayun na. Mga my loves, kamusta kayo guys? Maulan na gabi guys.
Are you reading their comments or hindi mo mabasa?
Hindi ko mabasa. Uy, maduduling ako dyan.
You wanna use these?
Drive safe. Bakit? Para saan to?
Mabasa mo.
Ha? Loko-loko. Parang wala naman tayo nabasa. Drive, be careful. Hope all my Friday.
It's a Friday. Oh, that's a good one. Friday.
Friday. Okay, meron na tayong title. It's Friday.
Friday.
Good night, Ice Boo. I love
Guys.
you. I love you, everybody.
What floor is Cinema 3?
Hindi ko din alam. Baka what building?
Hindi ko alam.
Well, anyways, iba-iba kasi yung X.
Ano?
And then one time, nahuli kita na meron kang kasex. Tapos
Ano?
ka pa na magpa-crucify. Kasi ito, part of course. Ano ba? Ito, si Kuya Alice. Ito. Ay, hindi pala kaka-park lang. Magpapaalam ako pag nakapark na kami ha. Kasi ang pangat naman na hawak-hawak ko yan habang walking. Tapos meron pa tayo nito. Diba? Paano na? Ano? Pakita naman kay Mr. B. Ayan siya, guys.
And that is how it's done. Hey everybody, how is you? All right, Miss B.
Paano na, guys, ha? Ano yan, Mr. B? What's that? Ay, isa pala kami sa lamin. Okay.
Emma, me.
Guys. So, eto na si Mr. B, guys.
Hey everybody. This is not good. I brought a jacket just in case.
Nagdala siya ng jacket ko, guys. Jacket niya, pero ako yung gagamit pag nilamig ako.